Well, there it is. That's what's causing all the problems. Stupid thing. It's kind of burp. Hey, random hero.
Yeah, random hero. Report shooting.
Yeah. We're making a Skidder for breakfast.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we got it roasting under there.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, we're seasoning it with starter fluid.
Yep.
It's almost ready. We'll get this new hydraulic pump thingamabob in there, and we'll fucking run this thing. We're gonna get around the woods, and we're gonna.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pull out some trees.
Yeah, that would be neat. I mean, it looks nice and everything sitting over here. I don't know if you guys watched last week's live stream, but this is me searching for a charging cable for my phone. Apparently, live streaming takes up some battery juice, big time. I got this bag pretty much packed. What do we got? Oh, nope. Looks like that's it for live stream. I don't want my phone to die. Oh, they got started. Oh man, I missed it. Nope, then die again. Alright, no charger. See? I'm filming what we're doing. Let's see if we can find some fucking dead trees out here we can cut. Well, bring up for firewood, the heat. Mechanic will be here in a couple minutes, I guess. It's on the other side of the field. It seems a lot closer. Go to this rock pile. Oh, look for rock pile. The only thing about this harness, it just squeezes me just a little bit. It gives me anxiety. I don't know why. It's weird. Gosh, a big old dead one right there, don't we? Oh, there's a bunch of stuff over here. Nothing's just laying on the ground though. Moving along. Anything else good over here? Oh, we got another piece right there, don't we? Piece of wood. I want it. Thank you. Oh, camera's all covered in snow now. I got some firewood. Well, mechanic got here. We can go after some more bits and pieces of wood out here. Try to keep us a bit warm. I can. Even the popular guys, here's that big thing. I just got, the Skidder will probably just drive all that. Oh yeah. Drag it all up. Oh,
it's definitely unattached.
Yep, no, it is. Roll it over. That's a little easier. Want to take a break? Alright, let me go get that other stuff. He's got the firewood. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab the rest of it. Fucking ghost. Skidder won't start. Going after more firewood here. Starting to get dark. Starting to think this diesel mechanic ain't gonna want to stick around much longer. Well guys, no luck with that no luck with that new used pump. Nothing ever works out for you when it's cold and you're in the woods. What are you gonna do? Tune in next weekend. Maybe we'll be in the woods. Maybe we'll be doing firewood. Who knows? We got a new development here, guys. We've got a little bit of oil coming out of the top of the engine now.
Got some fuel in.
Yeah.
We'll try and. You're like, look at the clown.
Keep hitting it when it starts.
I got you. Should I stop? Alright, everybody, it's a couple days later. Still working on this thing. We got it to breathe fire last week. Oh no, it wasn't last week. What was it, Monday? Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, Monday or Tuesday. We're out here monkeying with it. It was nice out, so we wanted to take advantage of when it was decent. But we had it running, and now we just need to get the timing set on this old Rosa. What's this called? An injector pump? Gotta get this injector pump timed. Yeah. Gotta get this injector pump timed. First thing you gotta do is take that little plug out he's fiddling with. That exposes a little eye hole, a little sight hole into the flywheel.
Yeah.
Then we gotta spin the motor over until this little hole in the flywheel lines up with that little Pinaruski he's pulling out there. That little plate also doubles as a pirate patch. Just put a strap on it, hang it over your eye. You want to get to it?
You gotta roll it my way. Oh, something just locked.
It seems a little too easy. Alright, so now that we got the pin in there, that fell right in real easily.
Then you got two marks.
See right inside that little middle here. Take the light away, it's kind of blowing it out. Stupid camera, I hate this fucking camera. You can see the marks right there, maybe. Those aren't lined up.
They gotta be lined
up. Okay, we're gonna see how it starts. Poor thing. Fucking ring's gonna be super clean. Yeah, we gave the engine a tune-up while we're we basically rebuilt it. All right. Is it dead or I vapor lock it?
Spraying battery.
All right, put the charge. We're gonna call all our favors in on this one. It wants to run. It's like, I want to get out there, guys. You gotta get me moving here.
Oh, it's like I fucking hate you guys.
I wonder how hard it would be to convert that and then throw a 350 in there. Could be worth it. It'd be easier probably and get this thing to work.
Yeah.
Oh. Like, oh, you want to help? I charge $100 an hour for that. It's doing it right. That's not what the last guy did. Well, we didn't do this.
There's really only one way to do a motor. That's the right way.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to charge you back for having to touch this.
This is where all the screaming sounds are coming from. Not in time. I mean, there's not so much adjustment on that we could spin it until we see it, right? Maybe we just got that far off.
No, No, you'd be able to see it in the window.
You'd be able to see it in the window. It's not even in the window.
Yeah, that means it's far out.
Far out, man. Well, that means that the fuel injector thing might be good. There ain't no way it's gonna run like this, is it? Well, we learned a valuable lesson that weekend. We learned that we really oughta just called a professional to begin with and not just gone on the whim and tried doing it ourselves and going and calling random people. He was just busy. We were being impatient, and if we had waited, we could have saved ourselves a couple $100 and a whole lot of frustration. But you know what? He figured out that the distributor, well, not distributor, but the fuel injection pump was 180 degrees turned off, and we were able to turn it in the right direction with a big long screwdriver. And well, just watch. You'll see. Look at that, Tommy boy. What'd you do there?
Mine's right there.
Oh, well. So why in the hell wouldn't that be keyed, man?
That's in right there.
It doesn't make any sense. It seems like there's only one way it would go in, you know? Just in case you want your fucking shit to roll coal real bad, you can put it 180 off. Hold that no more. I think we did it. Well, he did it. He running the fucking thingy, whatever that is, the injector was 180 degrees off, man. We're getting back to the woods, guys. Woo, doggy. That's running on all 4 cylinders. Well, as it turns out, it was the fuel injector pump was 180 degrees off in timing. Mechanic is over there putting it back together now. Let me see if it starts again. This could be it, guys. We could have our skidder back.